Okay. Right. Let us do this. See. First one digit only, that is why 1. Later 2 digits. 1 plus 2 is how much?
3.
3. Again from the first only, 1 plus 2 plus 1 is
4.
4. Okay, after reaching 3 digits, cancel first digit, next 3 digits. 2 plus 1 plus 3 is 2, 1, 3 is how much?
6.
6. Cancel 2. 1 plus 3 plus 1?
5.
5. Cancel 1. 3 plus 1 plus 4?
8.
8. Cancel 3. 1 plus 4 plus 1?
6.
Cancel 1. 4, 1, 2.
7, sir.
7. Cancel 4. 1, 2, 4.
7.
Again 7.
7.
Cancel 1.
8, sir. 8.
Yeah, next
8,
3 digits
sir.
is 8. Next is
Next it is 9, sir.
9, sir.
9. Next is
And then lastly 6.
6. Next 2 digits.
4.
4. Next last digit.
1.
Lastly 1.
Yeah, that's all. That's the answer.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Sorry?
Sir, like, not.
Sir, what if
about
odd
the
numbers are there, sir?
Sir, I have a doubt.
Wait.
not-
One by one. Ask one by one. First, tell your doubt, Siddharth.
Sir, not about the sum, sir, but I am asking that will we have an exam kind of thing in Vedic Maths?
Sorry?
Because I want to write an exam, sir, on Vedic Maths.
Okay, weekly exams.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'll conduct one exam in this week, compulsory, this Sunday.
Okay.
Okay, till now what we have covered on the complete portion we have completed. We'll make a test with nearly 20 to 30 questions. With 30 questions. Okay. Yeah. Next, somebody
Sir,
having some doubt. Tell me.
Yes, sir. Sir, what if odd numbers are there, sir? Like, the number of numbers are odd.
Okay, then what is the problem then?
Can you tell
Just-
what type of?
Just see. Here I have explained this example with 5 digits only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits. 5 number of numbers are there. Yes or no?
No, sir, I'm telling the total number. 1,
Sir.
2, 3, 4, 5,
Ah.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
I am
12.
also telling about this one only. Not
Yes,
about
sir,
this one.
12. The total number of numbers is 12 and it is even, no, sir. What if
It may
odd
be even
numbers
or it
are
may be
there,
odd.
like 11? Yes,
Okay,
sir, can
then
you tell the odd type of?
okay. I'll tell one example. See, suppose if it is 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1. Now, how many digits are there?
7.
7. Is it okay for you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then it is we have to multiply this number by 3 ones. Yeah, first digit as it is 1. Then 1 plus 2. Tell me.
3.
3. Next 1 plus 2 plus 1.
4.
After reaching 3 digits, cancel first digit. 2, 1, 3.
2, 1,
me.
3, 6.
6. 1, 3, 1.
5.
5. 3, 1, 4. 1 second.
8.
1 second. What is
8.
happening in chat box? D. Jashmita, A. Akash. What is this? Mute, unmute button. There will be mic. What is?
Sir,
all-
actually, I joined today with laptop, sir.
Okay.
That's why I was just asking to how to join to audio, sir.
Okay. Then you can directly ask. Okay. Because I am explaining something. You are chatting something.
Sir, actually, you are explaining. That's why I was asking in chat box.
Okay.
Excuse
Akash,
me,
what is
sir.
this? A. Akash?
Excuse me, sir. When I am joining from laptop today, it is showing that some error, sir.
Okay.
Sir, for me, it is showing like unable to connect to computer audio.
Same for me
Actually,
also, sir.
that is from that is on your side only. That is at your
Yes, sir,
end.
I
only.
understood that it is from my side, but what can I do? That's the main problem, sir.
Okay. Now is it okay?
No, sir.
No. then better rejoin again, disconnect and connect again.
Sir, I have tried it 2 times already.
Okay. What is happening? What is your problem actually?
Sir, actually, I am not able to connect to audio, sir.
Then how you are communicating with me?
Sir, I have joined again from mobiles.
Okay. Mhm. Okay, then you can try that later. Okay, after class, you try with the laptop. Okay, because we should not waste time.
Yes, sir. That's why I was not asking before.
Okay. Then 1,
Sir,
3, 5.
I did not understand this.
What you did not understand?
Sir, this 111 multiplication.
Multiplication by 111 we are doing without actually doing by multiplication by 111. We are using the shortcut method. See, once again I'm explaining. So take the first digit only first. 1. Next to take 2 digits at a time. 1 plus 2 is 3.
3,
Next to 3 digits at a time. 1, 2, 1 is 4.
4.
Because there are 3 ones. Okay, up to reaching 3 digits, we have to take from the first digit only. After reaching 3 digits, take
2 plus
3
1.
digits at a time, consecutive 3 digits. Okay. Now
2 plus
cancel
1
1.
plus 3, 6.
Sorry.
Sir, 2 plus 1 plus 3, 6, no?
Yeah. Now ignore first digit, then take next 3 digits. 2 plus 1 plus 3 is how much?
6.
6. Next, ignore 2. 1 plus 3 plus 1 is
5.
5. Ignore 1. 3, 1, 4.
7.
No.
8.
8.
Yeah. Now can ignore 3. 1 plus 4 plus 1.
6.
6.
6. Now cancel or ignore 1. 4 plus 1.
5.
5.
And
ignore
1.
4
Sir,
and
what
last
if there is 9?
Sorry.
Sir, what if there is 999?
Okay. I got your point and I'll explain it. Okay.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, I've left because of an internet issue. Explain it again, sir.
Okay. We'll do another question. Okay. We'll do another question with the same 111 multiplication. Okay. There may be even number of digits or odd number of digits. That is not a problem for us. Okay. Because we have to start from the first digit. We have to continue till the last digit. That's all. There may be any number of digits. Somebody asked, what if there are there is 9? 9 means his doubt
Sir,
is
9 take 5 times.
no. That is not his doubt. After adding 3 digits at a time, we are getting a single digit, right? What if it is a double digit? What if it is exceeding 10, exceeding 9? That is his doubt.
No, sir. So I am taking that. Can you please tell with 5 times 9 into 111?
5 times 9 into 111. Wow. I did not get Shahu.
Sir, means 99999 into 111. Sir,
Okay. All right. Who is that? Okay. See, I'm taking another question. 2467 into 111. Okay. Right. Take first digit as it is 2. Next, 2 plus 4 is
6.
6. Next, 2 plus 4 plus 6.
12.
12. Now we are getting a double digit. If you are getting a double digit, 1 here, 2 here. Okay. 1 here, 2 here.
Sir,
1
like
become,
we did with 11.
yeah, 1 carry. 1 will be carry. Right. Next, now ignore 2. 4, 6, 7. How much? 4 plus 6 plus 7.
17.
17.
1 here, 7 here. Now ignore 4. 6 plus 7.
13.
13. 1,
13.
3. Ignore 6. Last digit 7.
7.
Now balance.
2, 7,
7,
3,
3,
8, 3, 7.
3, 7. That's all. Okay. Yeah. Now I'll ask one question. Try to do this.
Yes, sir, sure.
All of you keep in mute condition. Some Some disturbance is coming. That's
Sir, should we give our names?
no. I'll tell. Okay, I'll tell later. Just respond to my question. 23 into 111. How to do this question? Can anybody explain?
Sir, can I try?
Sir, 2 as it is, 3 as it is, and then,
Okay.
sir, then we can take like 2 plus 3, 5, and
Sir, I think we should keep 0, sir.
Yeah. How many zeros?
2
1
0.
0.
1 0. 1 0 is enough
Yes, sir.
because we need to reach up to 3 digits, right?
Sir,
That's
that
the
means now 0, then 0 plus 2,
0,
which is
0
Yeah,
plus
2,
2 is 2.
0 plus
then
2.
2 plus, sir,
2 plus 3.
0 plus
sir,
2 plus
then
3.
5.
5.
5. Now
5.
ignore 0. 2 plus
2
3.
plus 3. 5.
5.
5. Now ignore 2.
3.
Again.
3. 3.
That's all. 2 5 5 3.
Sir, in this question, we can also ignore 0, right, in the answer. We can also ignore 0 in the answer. So our answer will be 2553.
sir, then we
I
can take
also read
something
that
like,
one only.
if
2
it
5
is
5 3.
2 digit multiplied by 111, then we can take the total of the digits 2 times in between.
Yes. Okay, right.
So I mean,
Uh,
instead of taking 0, we can take it like that.
Yeah. With practice, you will know. You will come to know all these things. Okay. If you do experiments on different questions by taking any number. Okay. Together we'll do this question, or otherwise Shahu will explain this question.
So, yes, sir, yes, sir, sure.
Okay. Carry on. Fast.
The first digit will write 4,
Okay.
then 4 plus 5, which is 9,
Okay.
then 4 plus 5 plus 2, which is 11. So we'll take 1 carry
Okay.
and write 1.
Hmm.
Then we will skip 4, then 5 plus 2 plus 3. We'll do 10.
Okay.
1 carry 0. Yes, sir. Then we'll cancel 5, 2, 3, 6. It is 11 again.
Okay.
Then we'll cancel 2, 3, 6, 7. It
Okay.
is 16.
Okay.
Then cancel 3, 674, which is 17.
Okay.
Cancel 6, 741, which is 12.
Okay.
Cancel 7, 416, which is 11.
Hmm.
Then cancel 4, 165, which is 12.
Okay.
Cancel 1, 659, which is 20.
Okay.
598, which is 21.
No.
Sir, now we will skip 5, take 9.
22. Not 21.
22, sir. 22.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now cancel 5. Next.
9 plus 8 plus 0, 17.
Okay.
Then skip 9, 8 plus 5, 13.
Okay.
Skip 8, 0 plus 5, 5. And then last digit as it is, 5.
Very good. Balance it.
So the answer is, sir, 5, 0,
5 0.
2, 1, 2, 7, 8, 3, 2, 4, 2, 3, 8, 3, 5, 5.
That's all. That's the answer. Okay. We have one more question.
Sir, can I do
Can I
this?
do this?
Sir, Akash.
Sir, can I do this?
Sir, please, Akash.
Sir, can
Okay,
I do?
Akash.
Can I?
Okay. Harshita, we will do next question. Akash will do this. Okay.
Okay, sir.
All
So
right.
we'll write 2 as it is.
Wait. All of you wait. Tell me. Fast.
Sir, we'll write 2. Sir, we'll write 2 as it is.
Okay.
So, and then 2 plus 5, which is 7.
Okay.
Yes, sir, then 2 plus 5 plus 4, which is 16, 6 and 1.
Okay.
So, and then we'll cancel 2, and then 5 plus 4 plus 6, which is 15.
1 second. 2 plus 5 plus 4 is how much? 16.
Yes, sir.
2 plus 5 plus 4.
Sir,
11, sir.
11.
11.
So, 11, sir.
Okay. Next.
So now we have cancelled 2, so 5 plus 4 plus 6, which is 16.
No.
15, sorry, 15.
15, sir.
Okay.
So now we have to cancel 5, then 4 plus 6 plus 7, which is 17.
Okay.
So we have to cancel 4, then 6 plus 7 plus 1, which is 14.
Okay.
So now we have to cancel 6, 7 plus 1 plus 2, which is 10.
Okay.
So now I have to cancel 7, 1 plus 2 plus 3, which is 6.
Okay.
So now we have to cancel 1, now 2 plus 3 plus 0, which is 5.
Okay.
Now we have to cancel 2, 3 plus 0 plus 2, which is again 5.
Okay.
Now we have to cancel 3, 0 plus 2 plus 5, which is 7.
Okay.
Now we have to cancel 0, 2 plus 5 plus 4, which is 11.
Okay.
So now we have to cancel 2, 5 plus 4 plus 6, which is again 15.
Right. Next.
So now we have to cancel 5 and then 4 plus 6, which is 10.
Okay.
Now we have to cancel 4 and 6 as it is.
Right. Balance.
So now we have to balance this. So 2, 8, 2, 6, 8, 5, 0, 6, 5, 5, 7, 2, 6, 0, 6.
Yeah. Pallav, what is
Sir,
your
can
doubt?
I do the next sum?
No, sir, nothing.
Sir, can I do the next sum? Harshita,
Harsh-
sir, this is
Sir,
Harshita.
can you scroll down?
Okay.
Sir, this is
Which
very
question?
big.
Okay. Which question? Somebody asked the
Sir,
scroll
the
down.
third one, sir.
I'll send this PDF. Okay. No need to note it down as of now. I'll send this PDF in Google Classroom.
Sir, can I do the next sum?
Sir, can I next sum?
Okay. Okay. Harshita will do this.
Sir,
Okay.
can I do?
What if 4 ones are there, Harshita?
Then we have
Sir,
to
we
add
should
numbers.
add 4 numbers, sir.
Okay. Up to reaching 4 digits from the beginning.
What, sir?
Yes, sir.
From the beginning up to reaching 4 digits,
Yes,
what
sir.
to do?
Yes, sir. From the beginning, we
2
should
digits.
No. First take first digit. First and
first
second
take
digits.
first digit,
First,
and
second, third digits.
third digits, and fourth digit.
Up to 4th digits. Up to reaching 4 digits. So this is the procedure. After reaching 4 digits, cancel
We
first
should
digit,
do
next 4.
directly 4.
Cancel
Yes,
next
sir.
digit, next 4. Cancel next digit, next 4. After all the digits are over, then 4 digits, then 3 digits, then 2 digits, then 1 digit.
Then 1. Yes, sir.
Okay, you can proceed now.
So as it is first number, we should write as it is. So 1.
Okay.
And 1 plus 2 is equals to 3.
Okay.
And 1 plus 2 plus 1 is equals to 4.
Okay.
And 4 plus 3 is equals to 7.
Okay.
So we should cancel 1 first.
Hmm.
2 plus 1 plus 3 plus 1 is equals to 10.
Okay. 10. Is it 10?
Yes,
So
7, not 10.
yes, sir. 7, sir. 7.
Yeah, 7. Right. Next.
And we should cancel 2.
Yeah, here you don't need to read 1 plus 3 plus 1 plus 0. You can directly read 1, 3, 1. 1, 3, 1, 0.
Okay. Yes, sir.
To add,
1,
to save
3, 1.
some time.
Yes, sir. 1, 3, 1, 0. So the answer is 5.
Okay.
We should cancel 1.
Hmm.
3, 1, 0, 1 is equals to also 5.
Okay.
And we should cancel 3.
Hmm.
1, 0, 1, 5 is equals to 7.
Okay.
We should cancel 1.
Hmm.
0, 1, 5, 1 is equals to also 7.
Okay.
And we should cancel 0.
Hmm.
1, 5, 1, 2 is equals to 9.
Okay.
We should cancel 1.
Hmm.
5, 1, 2, 1 is equals to 9.
Okay.
We should cancel 5.
Hmm.
1, 2, 1, 2 is equals to 6.
Hmm.
We should cancel 1.
Yeah. Remaining persons, you can do this without, if you are confident, you can do this question without listening to the explanation. Okay.
And
carry
2,
on.
1, 2, 1 is equals to 6.
Okay.
We should cancel 2.
Hmm.
And 1, 2, 1, 3 is equals to 7.
Okay.
We should cancel 1. 2130 is equals to 6.
Okay.
We should cancel 2.
Hmm.
1301 is equals to 5.
Okay.
We should cancel 1.
Okay.
And 3010 is equals to 4. We should
Okay.
cancel 3.
Hmm.
And 0102 is equals to 3.
Okay.
We should cancel 0.
Hmm.
And 1021 is equals to 4.
Okay.
We should cancel 1.
Hmm.
And 0210 is equals to 3.
Okay.
We should cancel 0.
Hmm.
And 2 plus 1 is equals to 3.
21006 up to 2106.
Oh, okay, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
4 digits at a time.
Yes, sir. 2106 is equals to 8. No, 9.
Okay.
And again, we should cancel 2. And 106 is equals to 7.
Hmm.
And we should cancel 1. And 0 plus 6 is equals to 6. We should cancel 0. And the
Okay.
last number as it is. So 6.
Right. You may not get this much answer in calculator also. Even in calculator also,
Yes,
you
sir.
will not get completed.
Sir, when I'm writing in the calculator, it's showing 1.34775. The
And e power
exponent.
something.
Yes, sir. To the power of
Sir,
12.
it's actually big, right, sir?
Sorry.
Sir,
It's actually so big, sir. It won't even fit in the calculator, sir. Like it will show some E, F, and all those things.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
sir,
Yes. Tell me.
sir, what is the meaning of E?
E means exponential.
Yes, sir. Exponent. That's what I was saying, but nobody understood.
Power. Okay. Then just answer this. Anyone who will answer this question?
Sir, can I answer?
Sir,
New person is better. New person is better.
sir, can I?
Who?
Sir, can I?
Wait, Akash. Wait.
Sir, can I?
Who? Name.
Can I?
Sir, Jashmita.
Yeah, Jashmita. Be ready. Jashmita, be ready. 43 into 1111. Answer this question.
Before we need to put 2 zeros.
Okay.
Sir, we can do
Zero
like
as
that
it
also
is.
now.
Wait.
take
Wait.
two
Shahu, wait.
0 as it is.
Okay.
0 plus 0, 0.
Okay.
0 plus 0 plus 4, it is equal to 4.
Okay.
0 plus 0, 0 plus 4 plus 3, 7.
Okay.
Now cancel 1 0.
Hmm.
0 plus 4 plus 3 is again 7.
Okay.
Cancel another 0. Again 4 plus 3 equals to 7.
Okay.
Cancel 4. 3 as it is.
That's all. Right.
Sir, we can
Now
do
Shahu will do. Shahu will do. Yeah.
Sir, we can also do that.
Sir, we can
Sir,
also
we'll take
do
4
it
in
as
the
like
starting, 3 at the end, and 3 times we'll take the total of the two numbers.
Yeah. Why only 3
exactly,
times?
sir.
Because there are 4 ones.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If there are 3 ones, how many times we got the
Two
that
times.
number?
The 2 times we have to take the total.
2 times.
Yes.
And if
It
there
is
are 2
4
ones,
so
then 1
3
time.
There
times.
are once then 1 time.
Now you can answer this
Sir, can I?
with this method without taking these digits into consideration. 2 into 3. Sorry. Okay. I'll write it here. 63 into 1111. Yeah. Answer this directly.
Sir, can I answer?
Sir, can I?
Sir,
answer?
9, 9, 9.
Huh? Next here.
9,
Sir,
6.
3,
3.
Sir, 6.
How many
then
nines?
9, 9, 9.
Sir, 3
Nine,
nines.
nine.
Yeah, because there are 4 ones, so 3 nines. 9. Suppose if it is 63 into 1111, then
We
So
should write
6, 9, 9, 9.
6.
9,
9,
3 as it is 4
9.
nines.
that's all. 9. 4 nines. Easy? Right.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Very easy.
Here Harshita did this, right? Harshita only.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, somebody asking something.
Sir, I'm start with sir. Actually, I had some problem with my laptop. I was not able to unmute, sir.
Okay.
That
Yeah, see that there will be no disturbance. Okay. Harshita, you did this question, right? Harshita, are you there? Okay. Harshita did this question, right? Remaining persons also can respond.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah, because there is no carry, that's why no problem, right? If there is any carry, then carry means if it is a
Then
double
we'll
digit,
add
can
1 for
manage
the
that.
before number.
yeah, that's all. The same process. So you can, without wasting time, you can do this question later. I'll send the PDF. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then what if 2 series is given? Then
Then 11 into
how
2.
to do this
11
question?
into 2.
Yeah, that's all. 234 into
Okay,
22. We can write this question in this way. 234 into
34 into 11 into 2.
11 into 2.
11 into 2.
So first we'll use the shortcut for this. Later we'll double the given number. Sorry, later we'll double the result. Okay. So what is the result of this?
2, 5,
5, 7, 4.
7,
5,
4. 2, 5, 7, 4.
That's all. Now double this number. Without using 2 stable.
5.
Sir, 5 1 4 8.
Sir,
5
5.
1 4 8.
Yeah.
5 and 4 8.
1, 4.
Actually, 2 plus 2 is
5, 1,
4.
4,
Yeah,
8.
I'm doing this. See, see my way. Actually, Satvik will do in this way. 2 plus 2 is 4, but the next place is carry. That's why 5. 5 plus 5 end number 0, but the next place carry. That's why 1. 7 plus 7 end number 4, but the next place no carry, 4 only. 4 plus 4 is 8. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I did it like almost like that way only, sir.
yes,
Sir,
sir.
I did
74,
25 into 2 and
257.
74 into 2.
That's all. This is the way, right?
Yes.
Okay, we'll do one more question in this model.
Sir, can I do?
Sir, can
Yes,
I
Mita.
Sir,
Yeah, Sahu.
Sir,
Sir,
can I?
Sir, I
A
want
new
to do
person.
this.
New person is preferable. Akash, wait. You have done already one question. Just wait.
Sir, Shahu.
Shahu already done. Next,
Sir, Jashmita.
Jashmita, I think you have done one example question.
Sir, Zoya.
Sir,
Joya,
my
okay.
question is
Joya will do this. Okay, wait. Joya, explain.
Sir, we'll write it as 25413621827 into 11 into 2.
11 into
2.
2. Okay. Fast.
2 plus 5 is 7.
First 2 as it is. Don't forget this. 2 as it is first.
Then 2 plus 5 is 7.
Yes.
In 254 is 11.
Why 254? There are only 2 digits, no?
Sir, so
You
we
are
have
doing
to continue
multiplication.
2
You are
2.
doing multiplication by 11 only, not by 111.
And then
Now
we
cancel 2. 5 plus 4.
5 plus 4 is 9.
Okay.
Cancel 5. And 4 plus 1, 5.
Okay.
Cancel 4. 1 plus 3, 4.
Okay.
Cancel 1. 3 plus 6,
Sir.
9.
Yeah.
Sir, which sutra are we learning?
After all the multiplications, special multiplications and general multiplications are over, at the end I'll tell the sutras. Okay. For this sutra, these are the applications. I'll just recollect all those things. For this sutra, these are the applications. For this sutra, these are the applications. I'll give all those points in the last. Okay, at the end. Okay, proceed. 1 plus 3 is 4. Next.
3 plus 6, 9.
Okay.
Cancel 3. 6 plus 2, 8.
Okay.
Cancel 6. And 2 plus 1, 3. Cancel 2. 1 plus 8, 9. Cancel 1. 8 plus 2, 11.
Now,
10.
hmm,
Cancel 8. 2 plus 7, 9.
that's all.
Cancel 2.
Yeah, very good.
And 7 as it is.
Right, very good. Balance.
2, 7, 9, 5, 4, 9, 8, 4, 0, 0, 9, 7.
Now double this number. 2 plus 2, 4, but the next place carry, it will be?
5.
5.
7 plus
Explain,
7,
explain.
7
Joyon.
plus 7 plus 7, 4.
In number
So
4.
next carry, so 5.
Okay.
9 plus 9, 8. Next is a carry, 9.
Okay.
5 plus 5, 0.
Hmm.
And next is not a carry, so we'll write 0 as it is.
Okay.
4 plus 4, 8. But next is carry, so we'll write 9.
Okay.
9 plus 9, 8. Next is carry, so we'll write 9.
Okay.
8 plus 8, 6. Next is not a carry, we'll write 6 as it is.
Okay.
4 plus 4, 8. Next is not a carry. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. But next is a carry, so we'll write 1.
Yeah, very good.
9 plus 9 plus 9 is 8. And next is a carry, so we'll write 9. 7 plus 7 is 14. So we'll write 4.
4, right. That's all. That's the answer. Okay, if two twos are given, this is the way. If
Sir,
two
can
threes
I
are,
do the next one?
you can do this question later. Okay, I'll send this PDF. I'll send this PDF.
Sir, now next one may I do?
So may I ask, sir, I
Sir,
was,
may I?
Wait.
starting.
All of you, wait.
Sir, I was starting.
Sorry.
Sir, I was
can
saying
I
from
tell-
starting, can I?
don't ask any questions. I'll after exercise is there, suppose there is a big exercise, I'll ask you. Okay. What if there are 3 ones? Sorry, if it is 3 series?
Sir, 11 into 3. 11 into 3.
Multiply by 3.
Yes,
Yes.
multiply the given number by 11 first, later triple
3.
that number. If it is 4 series,
11 into 4.
11 into 4.
2 into
Okay.
2 also we can
Actually,
do.
Then,
till now we have not covered this type. Any number into a single digit. Any number into a single digit, we have not covered that. After seeing that, we'll see this type of questions later. Okay.
Sir, but how will we add those numbers if 3, 3, 4, 4 will be there? Like
What?
if we take borrow, so we should add, no, sir. We should
Okay.
add it like that only, like we added.
Yeah, after complete 11 multiplication is completed, on that resultant number, we have to do this multiplication, either 3 or 4 or 5.
Sir, how to do with 3?
How to do with the 3? See, 1, 2, 1 into, suppose if it is 33. Okay. First we'll do multiplication with 11. 1, then 3, then
Yes.
1, 3,
then
3, 1.
now triple this number.
I'm asking.
3993.
In this way.
Sir, means here we have to directly use the table.
Yeah, I'll tell that point in the later classes. Okay. Any number into a single
Have
digit.
we learned how to do with 3?
Sorry?
Has borrowed, sir. Then
Have
how we
we,
should add?
sir?
No.
Have we
Till
learned
now
how
we
to
have
do
not
with
covered that. Till now we have not covered. We have seen up to, we have seen only these 3. Multiplication by 2, multiplication by 4, and multiplication by 8. That's all. Doubling a number and twice a double and thrice double. That's all. So we have not
Yes,
seen
sir,
this.
that only.
We have not covered this. Any number into a single digit. After
Sir, we
taking
can do
this
like that also, no? That first we will double the number or triple the number and then we will multiply by 11.
whatever you can do in that way also. Yes, for this question you can double this number, triple this number first,
Sir,
and
means
later you can do
3, 6,
multiplication by
3 into 11 like that.
Yeah. Whichever you do, the will be the same result only. Into 3 and into 11. First you can do into 3, then you can do into 11, or into 11 and into 3. Both will give the same result. First into 11 and then 3. So whichever is comfortable, maybe it is dependent on question, right?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
I have
Yeah.
a doubt.
Yeah, tell me.
So if we multiply the into three threes, any number is divided by 33. I mean multiplied. And if the final answer, if we have borrow, sir, then we should add, no, sir.
Sorry.
Sir, can you explain a question with 33, sir? Into 33.
This is
So
a question
means
with
the-
33 only. Okay, with the carry.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, with the carry.
Okay. Then 293 into 33. Okay. So first we'll do multiplication by 11 on this number. Okay, it's already 542. Okay. First we'll do multiplication by 11. Tell me 2. Then 2 plus 9 is 11. 9 plus 3 is
11.
12. And last digit
12.
as it is 3.
3.
So 3, 2, 3, 3. Sorry, 3, 2, 2, 3. Now triple this number. So 9663.
9663.
Sorry.
9669.
9 again. Okay.
So means like if the number means we
after
should triple.
multiplication by 11 completely we have to do multiplication by 11. Then we have to triple that number.
So we
Sir,
should
after
add
we do
3,
multiplication. Sir,
Sorry?
after we do multiplication by 11, if the answer is like more than 5, sir, then carry how should we do, sir?
Yeah, that is what I'm telling here. Actually, that is not covered till now. Any number into a single digit, in that we'll cover multiplication by 3, multiplication by 4, multiplication by 7 and 9 up to 9. Okay. After covering that,
Yes, sir.
you can do these questions, right? Okay. Let us see multiplication by up to 8. This is the process. Okay. Up to 8, series of 8, this is the process. But we can skip 9 from the series because we have a best shortcut for series of 9s.
Sir, about 9, our math teacher also told us once one method.
Sorry? For 9, sir?
Sir, our math teacher, yes, sir, she told about that.
Okay. We'll see and you can just compare with that. Okay. I'm moving on to 9 series. Okay. Up to 8, this is the process. We have to do multiplication by series of ones. Later, if it is 8 series, we have to multiply by 8. If it is 7 series, we have to multiply by 7. If it is 4
Sir,
series,
which
we have to
currently
multiply
we
by.
can do only by multiplication by 22, 44 and 88, no?
Sorry?
So currently we can only do 22, 44 and 88, no?
22, 44, 88, what is that?
Sir,
Sir,
he's saying
we
that
have
currently we only
Okay,
learned
not
how
only
to do
22, 44 and 88. I'm telling up to series of 8. Up to series of 8,
Yes, sir,
8,
but
8,
series
8,
of these 3 numbers only, no?
What are the 3 numbers from series of 2?
2, 4, 8.
Not only 2, 4, 8, 2 series, 3
Sir,
series,
you
4
did not
series,
explain
5
3.
series, up to 8 series. I'm telling.
No, sir, but we have learned only 2, 4 and 8 multiplication.
Okay. You can do in that way. I'm telling you can do in that way. After learning this, you can do, right? After learning single digit multiplication, you can do that, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sorry. All of you, okay?
Yes,
Clear?
sir.
Yeah. I'm moving on to series of 9s. Series of 9s. See, we are categorizing this series of 9s into 3 parts. 3
Ek
categories.
nyunena purvena.
Yeah. I forgot this. Ekan nyunena purvena. Ekan nyunena purvena. In the beginning classes, we have learned one sutra, that is ekadikena purvena. Remember that?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir, one more than the previous one.
Yeah. Eka adhika. One more. Here eka nyunena. Eka nyuna. Nyuna means
Subtract
less.
1.
Less. One less than the one before. So what is the number? 1 more than 7?
8.
8. What is the number 1 less than 7?
6.
6, right? So ekadikena means this one. Eka nyunena means this one. Okay, by 1 less than the one before. Using this sutra, we'll do series of 9s, multiplication by series of 9s. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Clear? Okay. Right here, I'm taking 3 examples. See, suppose if it is 723 into 999. Here, how many digits are there in the number?
3 digits.
How many 9s are there?
3 digits.
3,
So
9.
means the number of digits equal to number of 9s, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
And the second type is some 38 into 99999. How many digits are there in the given number?
2.
2 digits. But how many 9s are there?
5.
5.
5 9s. Here, can I tell number of digits are less than number of 9s?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And the third case is 7824 into 99. Here, how many digits are there in the given number?
4.
4.
4. But how many 9s are there?
2.
2.
So number of digits are more than number of 9s. Right?
Yes,
So I'm
sir.
writing
Yes,
the
sir.
3 points here. Number of digits. Number of digits.
Yes, sir.
equal
Our
to
math teacher told the same, to take the
number of-
predecessor of the number other than the combinations of 9.
Yeah. Number of digits equal to number of 9s. Number of digits less than number of 9s.
And more than.
Number of digits
More than.
more than number of 9s. Okay. So for these 2 models, for first model and for second model, directly we can answer even without using pen and paper, without doing any rough calculation also. But for this third model, we need one step extra. Okay. So first we'll see these 2, right? Okay. Let us do these 3 examples only. Okay. After doing these 3 examples, we'll move on to the exercise, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. First example is 723 into
999.
999.
So Ekan Nunena, nothing but predecessor, right?
Yes, sir.
One
Yes,
less than
sir.
7 is 6. What is the predecessor of 7?
6.
6
Six.
only.
6.
Tell me, what is the predecessor of 723?
722.
722, right? 722. Now, for this resultant number, 9 minus 7 is how much?
2.
Minus 2.
9 minus 2 is how much?
7.
7. 9 minus 2 is how much?
7.
7. That's all. That's the answer. Okay. Take one
So
number less than this number.
72277.
Sir, can you once again explain this?
Yeah, I'm explaining. Listen to me.
So the answer is 722227 or only
Yeah.
227.
No. Total 722227.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Take one number less than the given number. That is up to this part. One number less than the given number is up to this part. And then digit by digit subtract from 7. Sorry, subtract from 9. 9 minus 7 is 2. 9 minus 2 is 7. 9 minus 2 is 7. That's all. That's the answer.
Okay, sir. Understood.
Yeah. For the first case, this is the method. In the second case, what is the
Sir,
second
if
case example?
0 is
Sir,
there,
if
what
it is
shall we
9
do, sir?
minus 9, then can we take 0?
Sorry?
Sir, if it is 9 minus 9, then can we take 0?
9 minus 9. Yeah, we can take 0. So if you want, we'll do one more question based on the same example.
So
If
38.
it is, sorry?
So 2-digit number, sir. 2-digit by more than 2-digit 9.
39 into 99. Okay.
Sir, if it is in the number 0 is there, what shall we do, sir?
So can you take 999?
Okay.
Sir, if it is 720, then we can take 719 like that.
Yeah. Yes. Very good.
Oh, sir, if it is 721, what shall we do, sir?
720.
Okay, we'll do that with this question only. Okay. If it is 391. Okay. 999.
390.
390.
One number less than 391 is
39060.
So 9 minus 3 is
6.
6.
6.
9 minus 9 is
0.
9 minus 0 is
9.
9.
that's all. Okay. Clear?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
Let us do second category question. 38 into 5 nines. Okay. 38 into
Sir, take 38
5,
into 3 nines
9,
first.
9, 9, 9, 9. Okay. How to do this question? Anybody tell?
We should keep zeros.
Sir,
sir,
we
three
should keep
zeros.
zeros
Yeah, correct. If the digits are equal to number
and
of
make
nines,
the
then it
digits
is very
equal.
comfortable. Then we can make here, we can make equal number of digits and number of nines. So how many zeros are
Sir,
required?
3 zeros. Yes, sir, 3 zeros.
Yeah. After 3 zeros, it is 38 means now the number of digits are 5, number of nines also 5. Now it comes under first case,
99961.
first model. So 0, 0,
0,
0,
0, 0, 3, 7.
3, 7. Now 9 minus 0 is
9.
9.
9. 9 minus 0?
9.
9, 9,
9 minus 0?
9.
and
9.
2.
9
Then
minus
3,
3?
7, 9,
Sir,
9,
6 and 2.
9 minus 7?
6 and 2.
2.
6 and 2.
That's all. That's the
3,
answer.
7, 9, 9, 9, 6, 2.
Yes, correct. Okay, see, I'll tell one more way to do this question. Without keeping zeros, how can we do this? Suppose I'm taking another question.
Sir, we
like,
can do like
24
take
into
the predecessor of
9,
the
9, 9.
number. Sir.
Yeah.
Sir, we can do like take the predecessor of the number. Like here it is 24. So 20.
Yeah, 24
3,
predecessor is
and
23.
then sir keep 2 nines less than the
Yes,
number of
correct.
9.
Yes, correct. Just see for other
So we
persons I'm
can
telling.
write like
Yeah, how many
3
digits are there?
nines also, no, sir?
So means 2 nines we have to write here. 2, 3, 9, 9, 7, 6. Like
Just tell answer to my question. How many digits are there?
2 digits and 4
How many
nines.
nines are there?
4.
4.
4 nines. How
4
many
minus
nines
2
are
is
extra?
2 nines.
2
Nines. So
nines.
we can keep those 2 nines here.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
That
sir.
one.
Now
Sir,
do
why
the
shouldn't
process.
we keep at the starting, sir, 2 nines?
Sorry.
Why shouldn't we keep at the starting, sir? 9, 9, 2, 3. Why shouldn't we keep like that?
Then problem will be changed, right? We should not change the problem.
Yes, so first we have to take the predecessor.
Actually, there should be 2 zeros, and the 2 zeros should be as it is. So instead of putting those, keeping those 2 zeros without keeping the zeros.
Sir, and then we can
Okay.
directly do 9 minus 2 and 9 minus 4.
Yeah, that's all. 9 minus 2 and 9
Sorry,
minus
9 minus 2 and 9 minus 3.
Yes, yes. 9 minus 2 is 7.
7
9
and
minus
6.
3 is 6. So that's all. That's the answer. And don't do this procedure for these two because these two are already done with the zeros. Okay.
Yes, sir, we have to keep them as it is.
Yeah, for other persons, I'm telling again, if the digits are 2 and the number of nines are 5, if the digits are 2 and number of nines are 5,
then take 3 nines.
Yeah, take the predecessor of this number, minus 1 of this number here, and later keep a number of nines. How many nines are extra? We have to keep those nines. 3 nines are extra, that's why keep 3 nines. And later do subtraction from 9 for these 2 digits only. Okay, all of you clear?
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Suppose if it is 35, then 35 minus 1?
34.
9 minus 3 is
34 and 3
6.
nines we have
9
to
minus
take.
4 is
Yeah, it will
5.
be 6. Yes, sir.
That's all.
65.
65. And don't do this procedure for the given number. You have to do this procedure for the predecessor number.
Yes, so we can easily get confused.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
And we'll see the third model also, third case also. Later we'll enter into the exercise. Okay.
Sir,
And-
only 4 minutes are left.
Okay, no issue. Do you have any class
Sir?
immediately?
Sir, no, sir. I don't have a class, but
No,
tomorrow
sir,
I have
I
an
don't
exam.
Okay, no issue.
Me too, sir.
Sir, even I have it.
Sir?
Sir, I have an exam, but I studied everything, so no problem. I'll be.
Wait. Somebody asking some doubt. Navyasri?
No, sir, it's me stressy, sir. No doubt, sir. But then I wanted to tell something, sir.
Tell.
Sir, can you go down, sir? Like down, page down.
Down means this one. Okay.
Yes, sir. Like a little more down so that I can tell something. Like in the new way, how are we gonna multiply 999 like that? Like I got one idea how to do it.
You want to write something?
Like, sir, I got an idea, so like how we can do it, sir. Like,
Okay, take one example. Tell one example.
Yes, sir. 234 into 999.
Okay. Tell. Better
Sir,
than
we can
this.
make 99. Yes, sir, it will be easier, I guess, sir. But then I don't know if that's gonna be correct.
Okay.
999, we can make it as like a like we can make it into 1000, like adding 1.
Okay.
Sir,
Okay.
like when we make it into 1000, instead of 999, we can make it as 1000. And then 234 into 1000, we can say at
234 million.
234,000. Yes, sir.
Then
Now subtract 1 from it. Subtract 1 from it.
no. We cannot subtract 1 from it. We have to
Yes,
subtract
yes.
234 from it.
Yes, sir.
Suppose
Because we are we
Yeah,
should
yeah.
again we
Wait.
should again multiply 234 by 1 with 1.
Let her understood. Wait. All of you wait. Suppose this is the number. Okay. This is this 1000 is A. This 1 is B. So n into A minus B. How we can do split this number? N into
N
A
into
NA
A
minus
N
NB.
into A minus
N into
N
A
into
and
B.
N
Right?
into B.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then 1 into 234, right? So we have to subtract 234 from the given number. Sorry, from that result. And luckily you have explained the third case. This is the way to do third question. So sorry, third type.
Sir, we can take it as 770. No, so 66.
Okay. We'll do that case.
2, 3, 4, 7, 6, 6.
Who explained this? Shreyasi, I think, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Shreyasi, don't approach this method for this case. Okay, that is best. What is best? Predecessor of 234 is 232. Sorry, 233. Now, simply subtract from 9. That's all. 9 minus 2 is 7.
Yes,
9
sir.
minus 3 is 6. And 9 minus 3 is 6. That's all. That's we are ready with the answer, right?
Yes,
Why all
sir.
this procedure then? If we
Sir,
don't
for
have a
1
choice.
minute I thought like that. Whatever I thought, it was like that. So I got mixed up.
Okay, this is also actually this is the logic behind this shortcut also. Behind this shortcut also, that is the logic only. Okay, see, here we have to do subtraction, right? 2, 3, 4, 0, 0, 0 minus 2, 3, 4. How to do this
Sir, we'll
subtraction?
get the same answer.
2 as it is.
Yes, sir, we'll get the
3 as
same
it
answer.
is. Because the
234
next
as
place
it
is
is and
mismatch,
1000
4
minus
will be reduced by 1.
234.
3. So all from 9 and last from 10, right? Nikhilam. 9 minus 2
Yes,
is
sir.
7. 9 minus 3 is 6.
6.
And 10 minus 4 is 6 again.
6.
That's all. We got the same answer. Actually, this is the logic behind that shortcut. But already we are...
Sir, means we are using Nikhila.
yeah, for subtractions, we are using Nikhilam here. Because the subtraction is from zeros, right? Okay. Yeah, we'll do the third model.
Yes.
One more example. Not one more. This is this example. Okay. 7824 minus 99. 7824 minus into
Then into
99. Okay. See here, all of you listen to me carefully. Take the number as it is 7824. How many 9s are there? Keep those many zeros.
2.
Okay. How many 9s are there? Keep those many zeros. And then subtract the given number only from that result. Okay. Now subtract 7824. That's all. We'll get the answer.
So then we are
Because-
just doing
Yes,
that.
sir.
We are taking 99 as 100 minus 1.
Sir,
Yeah,
means we can
that is
take
what
it
we
as
have done here. 100
10
times the
minus
given
2
number
which is
minus 1
6.
time the given number.
Then 9 minus 2, 7. Like that, no?
Yeah, we'll do subtraction here. 7 as it is, 7. 8, because the next place is mismatch, 8 will be reduced by 1. It will be 7. And what is the complement of 7?
Sir, 3. So
3.
5.
3 plus 2 is 5.
5.
But the next place is
5.
mismatch again. So it will be
4.
4.
8's complement is?
6, 6, 6, 6.
No, 8's complement is 2.
2.
Okay. You
Sir,
are
means
telling
it will
total.
be 6.
Yeah, 2 plus 4 is 6. But the next place is mismatch. It will be?
7.
5.
Oh, 5. Reduce 1,
Oh.
not increase. Okay. What is the complement of 2?
Sir,
8.
8.
8 plus 0 is 8, but the next place is mismatch. It will be
7.
7.
what is the complement of 4?
6.
6.
6 plus 0 is 6. That's the answer. Okay. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So here, because here we cannot because we cannot equate number of digits and number of 9. So we are going in this way. So why don't we can make equal? If you keep two more 9s, it will be equal, right? Then
Yes, sir.
then problem will be changed. That is not the given question, right? That's fine.
Sir, then we can take into 0099.
Then number of digits you can make equal with the number of digits only. That is not with the number of 9s, right?
Sir, but then how can we do it 0099?
That is what I am telling. See, if you place 2 zeros, you can make equal just a number of digits and number of digits on both sides, not number of 9s, right?
Yes,
So here
sir. Then the
our
sum will be
here
different.
our point is number of digits on one side, number of 9s on another side. Okay.
Okay, sir. Understood.
Right. What is there in the chart? I have my class. Likita, you have class?
Actually, sir, I have to prepare to my science oral tomorrow. I have it, sir.
If you give 5 minutes of time, we'll do one exercise.
Okay, sir.
Okay. You can give your names. 10 questions are there, 10 members only. Only 10.
Sir,
So
may I
immediate-
read the names?
No. Immediate
Sir, in
after,
chat I wrote it as I.
Okay, Ritvik. Okay.
Sir, G. Shahu.
Okay. It is there in the chat box. I'll write the names here. Meanwhile, you can do all the questions. All of you do all the questions. So from where I need to start? See Vedika. Okay, this is Vedika. J. Satvik. I. Ritvik. D.
Sir, I don't want D. I want G.
Sorry?
Sir, I want D. Sir, I want D.
I
And
don't
Shahu
want D.
wants
I
G.
want G. Sir, please
Sir, I
give
want
me
D.
G.
Sir, and I want D.
Okay.
Akash.
I'll follow chat box. Okay. I'll follow
Sir,
chat
actually,
box.
first I wrote D but no, not D.
Okay, Shahu.
So
We'll see
Sahu
later.
want G.
No, sir, I want GG.
Wait.
That's what G. That's what J only I said.
Okay.
D.
Sir, Akash want D.
Sorry?
Akash want D, sir, and Sahu
Sir,
want
I
G.
want G.
Okay, you are interchanging your questions.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. This is Akash, right?
And sir, G. Shahu.
G. Okay. B. Joya. Okay. J. Jashmita. J is already over Jashmita. C. Abhinav.
Sir, after that
C is
I took
already over Abhi. Question A is remaining, E is remaining, H is remaining. Okay, H is
Sir, I
just.
took H.
Okay. And where are other persons? So 2 more questions remaining. There are 18 members, including
Sir,
me.
no one takes A.
A and E. Two questions are remaining. Somebody take A or A and E.
Sir, may I do 2? I want E. I want E.
No. Only new persons. Don't waste time. Remaining persons, take any questions. Krishnaditya, Ayush Mishra, Dhatri, Divyesh, Rohant. Shreyasi, why don't you take question? Siddharth, Vishnu.
Sir, I will take the A.
Okay, you will take A. Yeah, one more person I need to do question E.
Sir, may I do?
No. Don't ask. Already, we'll give chance to new persons. This is for Shreyas. Anyone take E? Are you there? Vishnu?
Yes, sir, I'm there.
Why don't you take E?
Sir, can I take E? I took F, but now can I take E? Yeah, I don't want F, sir.
Harshita, your voice is very low.
Sir, can I take E? I took F, but I want to do E, sir.
Okay. Harshita
So, but you
will do
already
E.
took F, sir. She already
Harshita
took
will-
F.
Yes,
Who?
sir, I don't want F, sir. I want E.
Who?
Harshita.
Harshita is okay. Then Vishnu. Vishnu, are you there?
Yes, sir, I'm there.
Okay. You do F, okay? Okay or not?
Okay, sir.
Okay. We'll start solutions because we don't have time. We'll make it fast. Shreyasi, start. Fast.
Sir, I'll do it in the second way. So like I mean the way I told, sir.
No, here the number of digits and number of lines are equal. This is the best method. Why you are going to the third method?
Shortcut.
I kept it last because these first two cases are very easy. That's why we have to do in this way only. And the third case, because we don't have a choice, we'll do in that way. I already mentioned. Again, you are telling in that way only.
Okay, yes, sir. So
89
sir,
predecessor.
like,
Tell.
sir, a predecessor of 89 will be 88.
Okay.
Yes, sir. And then 99 is there. We can like just tell it like
9 minus
9
8.
minus 8. 9 minus 8 will be 1, and again
Okay.
9 minus 8 will be 1.
That's all. Answer is ready. Jaya.
Yes, sir. Predecessor of 82 is 81.
Okay.
9 minus 8 is 1. And 9 minus 1 is 8.
That's all. Very good.
Sir, none
Vedika.
of the questions the number of means the number is not more than the number of nines.
Yeah,
Sir, 9 minus 9 is equals to 0, no, sir. A1.
0 only. 0 you can write. No issue, no problem. Vedika.
Yes, sir. The predecessor of 19 is 18, and then 9 minus 8 is 1.
No.
And 9 minus
9 minus 1
yes,
is
sir.
8.
9 minus 1 is 8. 9 minus 8 is 1.
Right, very good. Then Akash.
So 45 predecessor is 44, and then we have to subtract 4 from 9, then 9 minus 4, which is 5, and then 9 minus 5, which is 4.
No.
So 9 minus 5, which is 4.
No.
9 minus 4, which is 5.
So as there are 4, as there are 2 4s, we'll get 2 5s, right? That's all.
Sorry for the
Harshita. Okay, no issue.
Yes, sir. 778 predecessor is 777.
Okay. If you get 1 digit, you can write the remaining 2 digits as it is directly.
Yes, sir. 9 minus 7 is equals to 2.
Then answer will be 2 2.
2. Yes, sir.
That's all.
2 2.
Okay. Vishnu.
Sir, it is very weird number 777222.
Vishnu, fast. Vishnu, are you there?
Sir, can I do it?
Who?
Sir, may I do my one first?
Harshita,
No. New persons can ask. Okay, we'll
Sir,
do the remaining questions. Shahu, explain.
Yes, sir. Sir, 79's predecessor 78.
Okay.
And then we'll take 1 9 in between.
Okay. Because 1 9 is extra.
Yes, sir. Then 9 minus 7 is 2. 9 minus 8 is 1.
That's all. Right. Jashmita.
Yes, sir. Before 1 to 4, we will put 1 0.
Okay, instead of keeping 1 0, we can write 1 9 extra.
Yes, sir. Sir, predecessor of 1 to 4 is 1 to 3.
Okay. Keep that extra 9 here.
Yes, sir. 9.
Okay.
Then 9 minus 1 is 8.
Hmm.
9 minus 2 is 7.
Hmm.
9 minus 3 is 6.
That's all. That's your answer. Ritvik.
Yes, sir. So the predecessor of 8989 is 8988. Then we need to add an 9.
Okay.
Then we need to write a 9 extra there.
Extra 9. Okay.
Then, sir, 9 minus 8 would be 1.
Okay.
9 minus 9 would be 0.
Okay.
9 minus 8 would be 1. 9 minus 9 would be 0.
No, 9 minus 8 only. I already mentioned, don't do the procedure for the given number. You have to do the procedure for the predecessor number. Okay, 9 minus 8 is 1. So corresponding to this.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I'm able to hear. Vishnu.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is it okay, Ritvik?
Yes, sir, got it. I was only thinking like why last number is wrong.
Okay. That is not wrong. For the given number, sorry, you are doing it for the given number. We have to do it after minus 1.
Yes, sir. For the predecessor number, we should apply that.
Yeah, yes. Vishnu, tell me. Make it fast.
Yes, sir. Predecessor of the number is 7653.
7653. Okay. 9 minus 7 is?
9 minus 7 is 2, sir.
Okay, 2 here. 9 minus 6 is?
3, sir.
3. 9 minus 5?
4, sir.
4. And 9 minus 3?
6, sir.
6. That's all. That's the answer. Okay. Satvik.
Yes, sir. We should
Last
write. So predecessor of 47 is 46. So we should. There are 5 digits in total in 9 and 2 digits. So we should write 3 9s in middle.
Okay.
And 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 minus 6 is 3.
That's all. That's the answer. Okay.
Sir.
So we'll stop. Yeah.
Sir, why did you tick mark on only some of the answers?
Sorry?
Sir, why did you tick mark on only some of the answers?
That will come by default. Okay. Okay, we'll stop here. In the next class, we'll go. Mostly, we'll start base multiplications, say base model multiplications, or otherwise, we'll do some more special cases. Okay. Right. And
So means we'll do by single digit.
in the next class, we'll do that also.
Okay, sir.
Any number into single digit. Okay, bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir. Have a nice